Salut à tous, comment ça va? Je vais bien, je suis en forme. Okay, so another way to talk about when you talk about je vais bien, right? So you can also say je suis en forme. Okay, this is another expression to tell about yourself. You are good. Okay, let's move to the topic which we are going to today. That is le passé composé. Okay, so from name you can guess le passé composé means we are going to talk about the past. If you want to talk about what you did yesterday, day after yesterday, last year, how to use that tense or what to use the tense in French. Okay, c'est parti. Le passé composé. Okay, let's learn first of all. En français, il y a trois types de verbes. So there are three types of verb. The first one is or, o. Ok, c'est le premier groupe, deuxième groupe et le troisième groupe. Okay, one by one we are going to discuss it. First of all, premier group. Now, what is premier group? So first group means the word or the verb which is ending with er. That is your first group. Okay. Par exemple, let's take example. Parler, écouter, sonner. Right? Can you see the endings? Er. So these are the verbs in the premier group. Okay? Er ending verbs, right? Er. So la terminaison er. Let's take an example here. Écouter. Okay, so écouter means listening, right? Okay, now we will conjugate. The formation I will write here. You can note down side by side because then I will rub it because I don't have much space. Okay. First of all, to make passé composé, I will use avoir. Okay, and participe passé. Let's discuss what is avoir. So, being French students, you must be knowing avoir conjugation, right? Let's recall quickly. Okay? Conjugation of avoir. J'ai, tu as, il, elle, on a, nous avons, vous avez, ils, elles ont. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, on a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. C'est la conjugation du verbe avoir. Okay? Now, in passé composé structure, we will use avoir verb. Okay? Right? This is clear? No. Participe passé. What is participe passé? See, le verbe er. Okay. So here we will use this space. Er verb. Okay? Er verb. How to make the participe passé? Écouter. Éviter er. You are left with this. Ajouter accent aigu. Accent aigu add kar do. That's it. Next, one more example you can do. Parler. Éviter er. Ajouter e. Parler. Okay? Say participe passé. Let's conjugate the verb. What we have to use? Avoir. J'ai écouté. Clear? Let's learn this. Okay, fini. Éviter er. You are left with this. Ajouter o. Fini. Okay. Another example. Grandir. Ir verb second group. Éviter er. grandi. D'accord? Arriva. Entendre. Éviter R, ajouter. क्या ऐड करेंगे? U. What we will add? U. Entendu. Right? So, ce sont des passés, participe passé. Okay? I'm going to rub this. Okay, let's apply this structure in the conjugation. J'ai écouté. Tu as écouté. Yes, tell me. Il. What will come? Il, elle, on, na. Very good. Écouter. So, écouter. Nous avons écouté. We can also say nous avons écouté. So, you will les autres. Nous avons écouté. Vous avez écouté. Il, elle, écoute. Okay? Fini. Again, recap. Fini. Deuxième groupe. Éviter. IR. Ajouter. I. J'ai fini. Tu as fini. Okay? Now this is your say votre devoir, homework. You can write these conjugation in the comment box. Okay? Entendre. Troisième groupe verbe. Okay? Éviter R, ajouter U. Okay? J'ai entendu. Tu as entendu. Okay? Il, elle, on a entendu. Ça va? This is for you. Okay, let's conjugate. Write in the comment box, or if you want to do it in your notebook, you can do. But in the comment box, of course, I'll check, I'll review, okay, and I'll guide you if there will be the problem, or I will send you the bravo if it is all right. Okay, so this is. Now let's do, try to apply these conjugations in the sentences. So if I want to say, yesterday I ate pizza, right? How to say? See? So, hier, this is the timeline. Yesterday, hier, okay? J'ai, okay? J'ai, right? Mangé. So, again, see the formation manger. Or verb, éviter, ajouter, ça. J'ai mangé. Got it? J'ai mangé. J'ai mangé de la pizza hier. Hier, j'ai mangé de la pizza. Okay? Now, if I want to say, see here, one thing you can also learn, ER. ER is like, okay, suppose, okay, today is, suppose, okay, today is 10th October, right? 10th October is aujourd'hui, okay? 9th is hier, okay? 8th will be avant-hier. So if I want to say avant-hier, j'ai mangé J'ai mangé du burger. Ça va? So you can apply this, make the phrases. Even I told you to write the conjugation, yes. But if you want to make whatever comes to your mind, never afraid to comment, because you guys are learner. Make phrases. You have learned this, write sentences. It will really boost your confidence. Okay? Don't give it a command whether it is right, wrong. As a beginner, you should do your work. Just write it. Okay? I hope you like this video. Please subscribe so that I can make such videos. It really gives me motivation. Please give me thumbs up. It really feels so good when people appreciate. Okay? Au revoir. À bientôt. Merci beaucoup.